In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the mass airflow sensor on this Nissan Rogue. This is going to be located next to the airbox. Let's get into it. We're going to disconnect the connector right here. Just push down on the tab, slide that off, out of the way. We got these two screws here. We're going to use a Phillips head screwdriver. Take those out. Might have to push down a little bit hard. Grab the sensor. It slides right out. Take the new sensor, line it up, get the screws started, and snug that down. Take the connector, line that up, lock it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.